gonna be doing, wait, what should we do? Let's go find out. We're going to go to the door. I'm gonna go open the door to see who's there. Oh, it's a Baketivity cooking thing. Let's grab it. This is Baketivity. I don't know what's inside. We're gonna open up to see what is inside. I don't know what it is. What's this? It's Snowball Cookies, so I'm gonna open this up. What? Why is it so hard? Sprinkle. It's actually really hard. Salt, vanilla sugar, and some more salt. That's a lot of salt. Now we have all the ingredients for Snowball Cookie. So let's get started. So first, we need to wash our hands to get all the germs off. Now we're gonna preheat the oven to 375. Bake. In addition of the ingredients, you need butter, a cookie sheet, parchment paper, a big bowl, a small bowl, mixture the glass, a whisking, something to scoop the dough with, and a tablespoon and a teaspoon. Remember, read the labels so you can see, because tablespoon is different from teaspoon. And you'll need these two spatulas. It doesn't matter which one, but you need them. And so that's all the ingredients. This we're gonna line the sheet with parchment paper. I just did that. We can put that off to the side. Now I'm gonna pour a half a cup of butter in. So I already have a half a cup. That's 1/2 cup. And next we're going to do confectioner's sugar. Get off of me. Okay. I need to cut some more because I didn't cut it very well. So that's all of the confectioner's sugar. And next we're gonna do vanilla sugar. I have to cut it, but my hands are too buttery. Now we are going to stir it with a whisk. This butter needs to get softer. Next, we're gonna add the flour. I'm gonna put it. Now I'm gonna add the salt and then we're gonna stir. It's somewhere in there. It's okay, my daddy got it out. Now we're gonna whisk it. I've been stirring and stirring. My arm is really tired. And out of breath. Now we're gonna chill the dough to 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's take the dough out of the fridge. It looks like Grandpa's oatmeal. Now we are going to add the sprinkles. And now we're gonna give it one more stir. So now we're gonna scoop the dough, and then we're gonna put it into your little scooper, and then you're gonna place it right here. It might move the sheet, but that's okay. Now that we have them all on the sheet, we are going to put them into the oven. We're gonna wait 7 minutes. While we're waiting, we're gonna put the confectioner sugar into the bowl. Share. Don't you see me coming down the street to you? I am stomping my feet. I am listening to music. Oh, can you hear me? Oh, yeah. You're going to like this now. Oh, you baby, can you see and hear me? I to you like now, and I'm going to shout sprinkles. I'm waiting and waiting for it to be done. It's so done! I'm so excited! We are going to take it out of the oven, but make sure, parents, you can do it. Now that they're out of the oven, we are going to let them cool for 10 minutes. 5 minutes, actually. Kanchanga, kanmanga, kanchanga, mangago, kanchanga, magango. Oh yeah, baby, you know me. Dad, did you expect me to be that athletic? We are going to take the cookies out and then put them into the confectioner sugar with the fork. So I'm gonna grab the first one and then push it all around. I think this is enough. We're all done putting the confectioner sugar on. Now we need a taste tester to taste these. So who should we call on? Luca! Luca! Yeah? Do you want to taste test my sugar cookies?
Sure. It tastes good.
Okay, I'm gonna taste one. Okay. Really good. How do you think these taste, Luca?
Good.
100%?
No.
Okay.
About 80.
Are they dry, Luca?
Not really.
Why 80?
Because they taste weird.
Well, they're hard to cook.
Exactly.
Well, I guess he's not a really good taste tester.